Congratulations, you've made it to the last chapter. Woo! Chapter 11. Chapter 11 is all about what we call quadratics. It's any type of equation that has a squared variable, so like an x squared. We're going to do a few sections in chapter 11. 11.1, 11.2, 11.4 will be our first week of chapter 11, chunked into one piece, and you'll take a test over those three sections. Next week, you'll take a test over sections 11.6 through 11.8. So again, I've broken it up into two different weeks with a test covering each of those weeks. In this week, the first week, you'll be covering 11.1, 11.2, and 11.4. You'll notice that you have the blank notes packet for all of chapter 11, so you'll print it out now and then just make sure that you complete it for the next 2 weeks and submit it when you're done. You have the video lessons for 11.1, 11.2, and you might also notice that I have some extra review worksheets covering 10.8 through 11.2. I know 10.8 was back in last chapter, but you're always welcome to do those practice problems and just make sure that you're comfortable with that idea. And then there's 11.1 and 11.2 on that review worksheet as well. If you would like some extra practice, would like some review before you take your test, please print off this worksheet, work it out, and then you can see that there's an answer key underneath it. It's not a required assignment. You don't have to turn it in or anything, but if you are struggling and you would like some extra practice, or if you'd like some extra review before taking your test, if you want to try to increase that score toward the end of the class, you can always work on those worksheets to help you understand those few sections. And then don't forget 11.4 video. All right, that was the first week of chapter 11. The second week of chapter 11 is 11.6 through 11.8. And so you can see the 3 sections of video lessons, and then here's where you're going to submit your chapter 11 notes when you're done with the 2 weeks worth of chapter 11. Remember, there's a pre-test, homework, and retakes for each of those 2 weeks. Make sure you do your best. Let me know if you have any questions over quadratics.